Hi, my name is Angela.
Hi, I'm John,
and welcome
to our home. Well, awesome! I mean, we can't believe it, and it's surreal that we won such a thing. We haven't won such a big prize ever. Our story is that we didn't really have any recommended companies or firms or IDs that we knew of. None of our friends really had renovations done at the time. So we went to Renopedia, the website, and there's a questionnaire, right? So we just decided to just sign up or just fill in whatever we can, and then see what we get.
Our ID is Violet. Violet is from Vitas Design. So we wanted something that was Japandi. So it was a combination of both Japanese inspired as well as Scandinavian. So we go for a lot of wood and neutral tones, and what we also wanted was minimalistic kind of lifestyle. I think for myself, it would definitely be the kitchen because I enjoy cooking very much. And when we were discussing on what do we want to do in our future home, for me, being able to cook at ease and being able to have friends gather around in the future is something that we actually both do want a lot.
For me, design-wise, probably is the master bedroom and the master bedroom toilet. We really wanted that hotel, villa kind of feel, right? So, you can have a staycation in your own home in a sense.
I would say that Renopedia has provided this portal for you to liaise with different kinds of IDs. But I think as any homeowner, please, you have to do your homework, because they can provide you the link to the IDs, but you need to do the homework and sit down with them and have appointments. So it's better now because you don't have to really meet face to face. You can do it via Zoom, which is what we did for majority of all our appointments. And it's only in speaking to the ID that you can evaluate how's the feel and whether or not you're comfortable with them, are you comfortable with the budget, and yeah, I think that's the main thing for us. Thank you, Renopedia, and thank you, Violet from Vitas. I think you have made this very challenging journey very easy for us. We heard of so many horror stories of renovation gone wrong, and IDs running off with money and stuff like that. So we were actually quite worried about that because it's not easy earning money in Singapore, right? So it's easier for us with a middleman, and of course with a good ID as well.
I think for us, it's like a good example of maybe what everything aligning would look like, right? Like we managed to find Renopedia, and Renopedia pointed us in the right step direction. And then from there we picked the right ID, and then the ID did a good job, and all the vendors did their thing. So all the pieces fell together very seamlessly. So I think it's always the first step that is the hardest. But once you get the ball rolling, right, that's when you got the momentum to see things through.
Yeah. I think we are going to top up our highly deficit bank account. But I think we will also buy our family members a good meal because we can't do this without their support. Our family members, his parents, my parents, and our extended family actually provided us a lot of support through this time. So of course, I think having a meal together, if the government allows, is definitely one of the things we will do. Yeah. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.